Comrades, the government will be telling you shortly, and I'm waiting to hear, because as far as they're concerned, this is freeness time. So we're going to have free health, free education. I'm waiting to hear about the free housing. I'm waiting to hear about the free water. I'm waiting to hear about the free electricity. I'm waiting to hear about the free transportation. So very soon, you won't have any need for the salaries. And that is perhaps why, comrades, the 18,000 that was promised to you on Tom Fool Day has not reached you. It will not reach you. It didn't reach in April. It didn't reach in May. It didn't reach in June. It didn't reach in July. It is not going to reach you. So the farmer who is waiting on the 18,000, the taxi drivers who are waiting on the 18,000, the household helpers who are waiting on the 18,000, and some unemployed who are waiting on the 18,000. It is not coming. Don't hold your breath. It has been cancelled.